I have the Oraimo FreePods 4. This is a pair of some very affordable earpods. They look like AirPods somehow, and I'll be showing you what comes in the box of this Oraimo FreePods 4. So let's do a quick unboxing. So you first have to go past this polythene wrapping. The box feels premium. Okay, it says keep exploring. This is where you open. It works with iOS 9.0 or above and Android 6 or above. Okay, now they also have a separate app which I'll talk about in another video, but for this one, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm suspecting we have to pull this. So basically pulling this top cover here like that, and then once you do that, right, so once we pop this open, you can just either pull it out like this, then you can put this away, and you're left with this. So this black box here. So let's go ahead and open that. That's the first thing that greets you inside the box. So we have the case with the earpods. Okay, and then under that we have what I believe to be some paperwork. Yeah, you have a manual here, and then I have a charging cable here. So the charging cable seems to be, just get that open, is full size USB type A to type C. And then here I have some extra ear tips, and that's it. That's basically the unboxing experience. So let's get everything to the side, including the box. Let's have a look at this. And this is the case. It looks really good. It just looks a little bigger than most cases or what you'd expect from earpods case, but it looks really good with this shape. So we have the type C port for charging at the bottom there, and then you should have a light somewhere here. Obviously we can't see it now, but it should be there. Now opening the case should be a slide. So now it's this way. So with the charging port facing up, just and the writing there facing you, just slide the case open like that. Okay, so that slide feels doesn't feel too durable, but if you're just careful with your AirPods case, it should last you a long time. You have to be careful with them. It's not as high quality as something like the AirPods, but they're good. Okay, especially for the price, which is about $30. This is good. Okay, and then in here we have the earpods themselves, the FreePods. That's what they look like. Okay, and of course you have the contact points there, as you can see, for charging. There you go. So that's your Oraimo FreePods 4. That's what they look like. And that's basically the unboxing experience and what comes in the box. Now I'll be making consecutive videos in the future on how to use these FreePods. So make sure you check those out in case you want to learn something about these FreePods. I'll be making an entire playlist on tutorials on how to use these things. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.